Tell me about your project.
Myself, B. Pragnash, and my fellow members of Rahul Gandhi, John Noel, and Dharmadurai. We are an EC department students. We came here for an internship at an Alpha Digitronix solution company. We had done a project about an RFID, radio frequency identifier. It can be used on a card verification, and the connection and components will be recorded by Rahul Gandhi.
Components record are RFID 522 module, RFID tag, USB cable, jumper OS, and Arduino Uno board. Working will be continued by John.
When the RC522 RFID card is brought to the reader, it reads the card details and it is displayed in the screen where it is produced and displayed. Now the features will be continued by Dharmadurai.
Show me the bulky. Like
This is the card and this is the reader. When it is kept on the reader, it displays the information on the screen. That's it.
yeah, nice. Tell me about it. Applications.
Door access control system, smart parking system, cashless payment system, etc.
What about the advantages?
Low power consumption, low cost, fast reading, secure communication, etc.
What about the future scopes?
Improve security with the control system, saves time with the automatic identification, reduces manual work and errors, can be used as colleges, schools, companies, etc.
Oh, guys, nice.